Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet Christmas coaster. This is a free pattern and you can make it easily in this Christmas celebration. I am using 3 color of worsted yarn and one 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First you make one slip knot and make 5 foundation chains and join it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring and then I am making 2 chain. Count as a first half DC stitch and make 19 more half DC stitch in this ring. I have completed my 20 half DC stitch and now I am joining it together with slip stitch and cut the green yarn. This is the center part of this coaster and now I am attaching the second color yarn. I am using white color yarn for second round. Make slip stitch, make 2 more chains. Count as a first DC stitch, 1 more DC and you make one and 2 chain and skip the next 2 stitches, 1 stitches and go to the next and make 2 clusters, then 2 chain, skip the next, go to the next and make 2 DC and make it 1 and continue this stitch in this round and now join it together with slip stitch. And now I am attaching the third color yarn. This is a red color and this is a third round. Make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch and 1 more DC stitch in the same space and then make 2 chain and then I am going to the same space and make 2 more DC stitch. Now skipping the next 2 stitches and go to the next space and make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC stitch. And you repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. This is the third round. I have completed my third round. For fourth round, go to the very first space between the DC stitch. Here is the space and go to the space and make 6 double crochet stitch. And now I am skipping the next 2 stitches, go to the next and make 1 single crochet and make 6 double crochet in the next space and you continue this stitch in this way in this round. 1 single crochet, you repeat it. I have completed my 4th round, and now I am using the white color yarn for next round. This is the last round, so I am going to the top part of the last stitch and join it with slip stitch, and you insert your hook in the back side and insert the yarn in front side and make 1 slip stitch in this way. 1 slip stitch in each stitch. And thanks for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Crochet World, the Slim Project, and please share my videos with your friend circles. And thanks for watching, and you continue the same stitch in this round. This is the last round of this Christmas coaster. This is very beautiful and easy pattern.